Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can use Canva to create the Redbubble designs in 2025 step by step. So whether you are new to print on demand or just want to speed up your workflow, this guide is for you. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for canva.com. Once you are on Canva, you need to first of all log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, on the home page itself, you will see the custom size option. So you need to click on this page, and over here in pixels, you will have to provide these pixels like 4500 in width and height should be 5400. Then click on the create new design option. So for t-shirts and other products on Redbubble, you need to select this particular pixels, and here once you are in your design, you can just start creating your designs. You can use Canva's elements like text, illustrations in order to create your design. Make sure that you keep it to the centered and high contrast for better visibility on the products. You can use transparent background for stickers and shirts and mugs. Avoid using any Canvas Pro only graphic unless you have the license to resell. So here you can click on the elements option, select any of the elements over here. For example, if I search for doodles and if I click on the see all option, if I click on the all option, you will see a bunch of different photos which you can design something like this, and you can just copy it from here and you need to paste it like this. So once you are done with your design, let's say this is my design that I have created. So once you are done with it, simply click on the share option in the top right hand corner, then select the transparent background and you need to download it from here. So once it is downloaded successfully, you need to head back to your redbubble.com account and click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Select your manage profile option and click on add new work. So once you are on this page, you need to upload the design that you have created. So once it is uploaded successfully, you need to fill out the title, tag and description and adjust your artwork across the products. Make sure to scale and position it correctly for the t-shirts, stickers and phone cases and more. So once you are done with it, you just have to simply save your design by clicking on the save work option in the bottom, and this particular design will come in your shop and people will be able to purchase it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.